This is Module 1, Chapter 1. What is net worth? Most people know their salary, but very few know their net worth. And that's the number that really matters. Net worth is a simple formula. It is everything you own minus everything you owe. Assets minus liabilities. That's it. Let's take two people. Raj earns 1.5 lakh salary every month. But he has loans worth 25 lakh. Meera earns 70,000 a month. Her investments are worth 50 lakh. She only owes 5. Who's richer? Not Raj. It's Meera, because her net worth is higher. Here's a mistake many people make. They value asset at what they paid. That car you bought for 10 lakh, today it's worth 6. Always use current value. So how do you get net worth right? 1. Add up all your asset at today's value. 2. Subtract all loans and dues. 3. Update the number regularly. You can do this in Excel, or you can let Folo do the math for you in seconds. Folo, know your real worth. Tips to remember. Net worth is not your salary. It's your assets minus liabilities. Always value assets at today's worth, not purchase price. And revisit your net worth often. It changes with time.